Heavenly Father, today, June 9th, 2026, I come before you acknowledging the weight of yesterday's delays, the frustration of unanswered prayers, and the mental fog that comes from living the same routine over and over again. But I refuse to carry yesterday into this new day. I declare that this morning marks the end of my dry season. Every seed I have planted in faith, every tear I have cried in secret, and every effort that seemed unnoticed is now coming under your divine favor. Lord, shift me from merely surviving to living with expectation. Fill my heart with confidence that you are opening doors, creating opportunities, and positioning me for the miracles that have my name on them. Let my hustle become a testimony of your goodness, and my waiting become a witness of your perfect timing. I receive this day with faith, gratitude, and expectation.